This is the story of a very old steam engine that rolled off a trestle, was abandoned, rescued by a rail fan, changed owners, was moved twice, had parts lost, and is finally restored 50 years later, looking like she has just emerged from the Baldwin Locomotive Works.
Chris Baldo hired me to restore his 1916 two-truck Heisler. Then a donkey, and then another donkey, and then a spool donkey. And then,
where do you learn all this stuff?
I made it up as I went along. I have an engineering background, so that helps.
The biggest thing is all the timing issues with the valve gear. Steve Butler came down and he did a lot of adjustments on the Walshart links, which means he has to shorten them or lengthen them to get the valves in the right position. You heat it up, it expands. You pound it to expand it, or you try to shrink it. Sometimes it's a little too much and you got to adjust that.
One of the things about the Skookum that makes it unique is it's built in 1909, and it was finally retired through the accident in 1955, but in the intervening years, it was left exactly as Baldwin had first intended. It's amazing that a single logging locomotive has got the notoriety that this one does. The rail fans all refer to the engine as the Skookum. It's like Big Boy. Okay, that's not technically the correct name. It's the 4000 class of Union Pacific, but Big Boy stuck. Okay, well, Skookum stuck to that engine. And that's what other people said, I want to be a part of the Skookum project. We never thought you guys would ever get this far. And we never thought that engine would run. And after they could see that, well, you guys are really going to finish this thing. This pile of parts, this kit that was in the weeds and the mud of Snoqualmie back in 1960 is actually going to run under its own power. I want to see that. I want to have a hand in that.